Leave me alone, no, leave me alone!
Ogini, get before. What is it? What is chasing you? Get before.
It's Mazibe's son.
Mazibe's son?
Yes.
Why is he pursuing you, Ogini?
Doka, I don't know, he has been disturbing me for quite some time now, but I refused, and then he saw me today and said that I must accept him.
Nchocho Doka?
With me. Yes.
Chasing you?
Yes, Mama.
Can you imagine? It's okay, just calm down, all right? Calm down, you've reported to the right person.
I just managed to escape.
Hey, I can imagine. That boy has no single boat. Calm down. Eh? I will handle the matter. Hey, you're in safe hands now. Come and help me. Away. Ay. Chibo. Mama. I will kill you today. You see, Next time you disturb that girl, you will not live to see the next day. Idiot. You're chasing a woman that is not in your class. If you want a woman, look for somebody in your class. Actually, Anumpama. Take over. Idiot. Come here again and see what I'll do to you. I'm not fear. Stupid boy. He will never try that nonsense again. On your couple. On your Paula. Eh? Oh.
Mama, where are you coming from?
Where else? Name, just calm down. I'll give you that Udoka. I went out there to teach him a lesson. Oman was nonsense also. Next time he sees you, he will think he has seen the plague.
Mama, thank you. I was so scared. You know, I thought we will.
No, you can't even try it. With what? If he tries it there, I'll be on your couple. Is he mad? If it was something that I kept for my son, or not try what?
Best mom in the world.
My darling, you're the best.
I love you.
I love you. Oh, mama. Hey, imagine.
Mama, don't worry. I'll kill you. We'll see. How would you like it? Fried or boiled?
Okay, many are fried.
Okay, Mama.
Hey.
Mama.
The girl with the magic fingers.
Thank you, Mama.
The only painful thing is that you don't like to join me when I'm eating.
Mama, it's all yours. I ate at home.
You want to eat meat now? You must put your hand inside this soup.
And if you insist.
Yeah, I insist.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Mom. It's either you or no one else. So soggy. Hi.
Are you sure it will work?
Walk. Oh, walk, Usigo. I mean, look at you. Tall, fair, beautiful. And my son. Tall, handsome, very intelligent. Imagine the combo. Yeah, combination. By the time you people give me grandchildren, hey! Oh, mom, putana si kendi ocha mona Nigeria. Oh my God, I know my son will love you.
Mama, that means I have to work so hard to win his heart.
That is the spirit. If you believe in what you want, it shall come your way. If you tell yourself that Obina is yours, Obina will be yours.
Yes.
Ada abaga. You got to go? Yeah. Hey! Oh, yeah. See, There's nobody that will eat what I'm eating and not come back to eat it again. And what wrong?
My mother used to tell me that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach.
Ogo. Ogo one. Good woman. May your soul rest in peace.
Amen.
Hey, you know why I chose you for my son? Because your mother trained you well.
Thank you, Mama.
No, but thank you.
I'm glad you like the meal.
I love it.
Do you want any other thing? I can.
Can you see what? If you can see a deli, small, is the way to my heart.
Enjoy, Mama. It's all yours. At least I've taken a piece of meat.
Oh, one.
Kekwan,
Vivian, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you coming from?
I went to see Mama. What is it?
My love no kill you.
Yeah. You don't see person with love kill.
How will you know? All these things, I hope at the end of the day is not in vain.
Please, if you must be my friend, you must learn positivity. Else I'll be left with no other choice. What is this now?
Positivity, right? I pray it comes to pass.
Amen.
Because at the end of the day, make your heart no go break. I don't have time to tell you sorry. I'm too busy for that.
Vivian, please, be kokwa. As you can see, I had a very busy day with Mama and I am very tired. I need to rest. Cordy.
Busy day? What did you do? Keep cleaning, oh.
Oh.
1 cup of wine they've not brought to your father's house.
No problem.
You've done all the jobs. You'll be acting as if you are desperate. Good afternoon, ma.
Bia. What's that your name again? No, give me
Vivian. Vivi for short.
Oh, I know. I just wanted to be sure that I'm talking to the right person. Do you know the reason they respect me in this village? It's because I mind my business. And I think you should borrow a leaf too and mind your business so you don't get into trouble. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I don't understand you, ma.
Oh, you don't? Well, I'll tell you something. Next time you pose a threat between my daughter-in-law to be and myself, I will not take it from you. Yes. The way I will deal with you, honestly, you won't even know what hit you. Better go and ask your mother about me. Ask her how I dealt with her when we were young. Why not our born? No, are you eyeing me?
My eye is paining me.
Your eye is paining me. Blow the eye problem and get out of here.
Old man will be maltreating people's children. Your own, you will not do it like that.
No, you should have stayed back when calling me old. Old. Come on, you store DJ where check a chan. I know, man.
Did you have to go that far?
What are you talking about?
Don't pretend like you don't know what I am talking about.
Please, Vivian, I have lots of work to do. That's if you don't mind.
Listen to me, Choma. You're my friend and
I know who my friend is. No friend of mine will want me to spit out the sugar in my mouth and replace it with salt.
So this is what you deduced from all of this?
If you're truly my friend, then act like one. Else, what you receive will be bigger than this. Excuse me.
Choma, I'm so disappointed to say the least.
Will you help me with this or not?
We're not quarreling.
Did I say we are quarreling? Thank you. We'll see later.
Stop carrying plenty water.
It's not your business.
I'm Ngwanu.
Hi! Bam, 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 bam. Oh, no. Can you feel messy? No, I don't like what you're doing now. Put it down. Don't do this next time now.
Sorry.
No. When I have time all over the place. In fact, I want to reserve your body for what is about to happen. In fact, please, look, this body is reserved for what is about to happen in the future. 9 months, 9 days. So you need to take it easy.
I'm sorry. When I was washing the dishes, I needed more water and the tank was empty. So I had to rush off to get more water to do the entire chores.
Listen, I have young boys that come here to fetch water for me when I don't have water. They will fetch water. Because don't do this again.
No problem, Mama. You're back on time.
Yes.
What happened?
You know how market is now. Sometimes market is like this, sometimes market is like that. You got to go. Today everybody came out early. So we finished all the trading and everyone left.
Oh, Dima. Thank you so much, Mama, for loving me the way you do. Dalu.
Hey, Mogo. For loving you? You're like my daughter. You're my daughter-in-law to be. When I look at you and picture the kind of children both of you would give to me. Hey!
Thank you, Mama.
It's okay. Let's go in. I was... Hey!
Don't worry, I'll never do it.
Hey! Okay. No, yes. I can't wait to see you. Yes. Obi Nyeke. Oh, okay, bye. Ay.
Mama.
Nemo.
Mama, who were you on the phone with? Because you have so much happiness written all over your face.
Who else? Guess.
Obina.
Yes. Obimo. Hey, he called.
You promised that I'm going to speak to him the time he called the last time. Why did you not end the call without me speaking to him?
Nambayalo, I promised. And next time, you will surely speak to him. We're already at the end of the discussion when you entered.
The guy in question, have you spoken to him on the phone before? Choma, that you are not found does not make you a fool. You are not a fool. How can you, in this 21st century, you are giving hope that somebody will marry and you've not spoken to the person before? This man is just using you. She's using you as her maid. Why are you looking at me? Are you not washing clothes? Are you not cooking for her? What else does a maid do? You are supposed to ask for this boy's number. Speak to him one-on-one to be sure of what you are doing. You'll be here doing rubbish. Before you know, you clock 45. It's not about God forbid, it's about you not using your head. Like me now, my relationship has a direction. I know where we are headed. But you don't know. So try to collect that boy's number. Ask him, hello, Na, are we marrying? Are we wifing? Are we husbanding? You know where you stand. So ask her to call her son. Let the boy tell you, I will marry you. Be sure of what you are doing. You're not a fool.
Is it true that she is building a castle on my head? Choma, no forehand.
Hello?
Mama, what did you say?
You seemed a bit distracted. Is it because of Obina? Don't let it bother you. Oh?
I just hope so, Ma. You have just handed me phone because you said the last time that I was going to speak to him. Now you're now saying next time again.
God forgive me. We already at
Just
the
ended it.
tail end of the conversation. Don't worry. What was yours? So I'll carry the phone to your house.
Please,
Eh?
go.
Hey. No, ma'am. So,
you.
So what are we doing today?
Okay, yeah, some clothes in the room. Some wrappers, dirty ones. I would like to wash them.
Yes,
Odema.
and Odema, the duvet. Oh, you saw where I packed?
Yes.
Wow. Hey. Oboro ma nwa onye ga-enye m. It's been over a week. 1 whole week since Chioma visited. What is Kwanama? Is that a problem? Maybe she's sick or... And I don't even know. Hey. This is unlike Chioma. Oh.
I don't take nonsense. Anything that will bring me insult, I cut it off. I'm telling you. My friend, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for saving me, oh. Do you know that woman has been building castle on my head? This is my head here. Okay. Ha! And everything she will be telling me all those sweet words that made me fall in love with her son without even seeing him. Am I not mad? You are mad. Eh? Hi, God. You know that every time I'll tell this woman, Mommy, let me speak to your son next time. But she'll always be on the phone with him. Each time I come, she'll cut the call. Can you imagine? To think that I fell for this woman's sweet words is what is killing me. This thing is killing me. Did I not warn you? Thank your gods you realized yourself before clocking 45. Because if you had gotten to 45, your own chapter has closed. By then, I'll be in the city with my husband. But that woman is very wicked. She was saying all these things to you to cage you. Is her son the only person that stays abroad? Can't they just help you and say, oh, this orphan, let's send you abroad without marrying you? That woman is wicked. No, maybe give the son my number so that we can talk now. No. You don't have sense. Nemo, thank you. Like I said before, thank you so much. Dalo. Oh, thank you. I'll be on my way now. Oh. I'll continue the gist later. Oh. That's how you did not help me to wash the clothes after you've wasted my whole day. I'll come later. Bye-bye. Later, you go and wash clothes in their house.
Hi. See this girl I thought is sick. Laughing like a demented woman. Ewo. Chioma is beginning to change. Am I wrong? She's not the girl I used to know. Okay, Mercy. Looks like that her friend is beginning to deceive her. I can't keep silent over this. I have to ensure that that silly girl stays away from her. She might just confuse her. Look and see.
Mama,
do I look like your mother to you? Adam Kanei.
You just gave me rice. What happened?
If I got chopped, what really happened?
Mama.
Mm.
Good afternoon.
Vivian, good.
How do you, ma?
This one you're in my house today.
Mama, I'm looking for Chioma.
Inside my plate of rice.
Mama, still no achapokwa.
Daughter, Chioma made it. She's not around. Would you like to wait for her?
Okay, Mama.
Would you like something to eat?
Hey, Mama, God bless you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Let me get you something to eat, oh?
Oh, thank you, Mama.
Let me take my spoon. Just like God handed Goliath over to David. My God has handed you over to me. By the time I'm done with you, oh my God, you will be so far, far away from my daughter-in-law to be.
Mama, please, I like stew. Cook stew very well.
Here you are, plenty stew.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama,
I cannot finish it.
you're enjoying it.
Let me drink water. Sorry, ma. No. Mama, I brought you.
Mama,
You drugged me.
did I? I'm surprised.
Papa Chima.
Bonya, it's your mouth that will put you into trouble. Yes. No, you talk too much. Just like you're talking now. Shut up. Ha! Did your mother, simple instructions you do not listen to. Did your mother not tell you not to eat in people's houses when you visit?
No, you people used to call yourself one name. We are family.
Family to who? You and who? You and who is his family? Now, I want to tell you something. You see, you're very close to my wife-to-be.
Yes.
Chioma.
Yes. She's my best friend.
Your best friend?
Yes, Mama.
You will stop being best friends.
No problem. I will keep malice with her.
I know your intention. Your intention is to take Chioma's eyes away from my son. And introduce her to your kind of life.
He's my brother.
He's your brother.
He's your
brother and Ebele. Okay. You know what I want of you now? You see, Chioma, nobody will take away from my son.
Amen.
Amen. So I want you to stay away from her.
I will.
By the time I'm done with you today, if you Chioma this way, Igaba that way. If you're that way, Megan, Igaba this way.
Mama, please, I want to go home. My mother is looking for me.
I know. Your mother is looking for you, Mama. I'm also looking for you.
Papa Chima!
Why are you calling him? I said shut up. Why are you calling Papa Chima? Now listen to me. There's a song I want to sing. It's not a crying song. It's a praise worship. Will you sing along with me? That's why I love you. The Lord has done it finally. Finally, finally. The Lord has done it finally. Finally, finally. The Lord has done it finally. Finally, finally. He did it. He did it. Papa Chima! Papa Chima! Papa Chima!
My friend Vivian, I've not seen you in a long while. What is it now? How are you? Hi. What is it now? Why are you giving me all this attitude? Anyways, I don't know what I did, but I am sorry. So you should stop doing all this already. Anyways, if it's because of Obinna, start preparing
because you are going to be my maid of honor. Ogini, what? My dear, it has happened though. It's not by saying God forbid. It's going to happen. You'll be my maid of honor. I'll tell you the color, everything. My best friend. Oh? You and your attitude, you better stop this. Stop it.
Choma, what is it? Ever since I sent you on an errand and you've been back, but I've noticed that you've been very sad. Ogini, what happened?
Mama, it's my friend Vivian.
Vivian, your friend. What happened?
She has been avoiding me lately.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
Do you know why?
I don't know why.
That is the game plan, my daughter. She was advised to stay away from you. And for once, she is obeying an instruction. Do you know what happened?
She wouldn't say. I don't know what to do. I'm just confused.
Don't be. I promise you, she will come around and she will come looking for your face. Okay?
Okay, Mama. Thank you.
It's all right. I have good news for you. Maybe if you hear it, you'll be happy.
What's the news? I'm all ears.
Your husband-to-be is coming in next week.
Hey! Mama, is a lie. Finally, my man is coming. The man of my dreams, my husband, my odogu, my king.
Yes!
I'll finally get to see him with my eyes.
You will see him. And you see, once you get married to him, your status will change.
Yeah.
You won't have any dealings with all those village riffraffs, those male and female boys, girls, even that your friend Vivian Mba. No. She will no longer be in your class. You want to go? Would you like them to take your man away from you?
No.
My
My king is coming back.
It's a baby girl. Mama. Hey. You see, now I've put a smile on your face.
I'm so happy.
Keep smiling. Hey.
My husband is coming back. Hey, it's over for everybody.
Mama!
Ogini, what is it? Who is chasing you? Onion, I'll show you.
Mama, levels, change of levels is chasing me. Look at. Hey, I can't believe it. Mama, why are you looking like this now? This is something that we've been praying for. I thought you'd be happy. This is... Mama, what is going on? Are you crying?
Oh, but the tears of joy. This is something we've been praying for.
Hey,
and it's finally here.
Oh, Mama.
Hey, God. Hey, nah.
Mama.
I can't believe this. Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Mother, how do I pay for this? I don't have money to pay for this. Don't misunderstand me. I mean, every mother would like their child to leave this country for better pastures, but I just can't afford this.
I don't want to lose this opportunity.
You will not lose it, Moabone, I'm your mother. I'll do something about this. Oh?
Yes, Mom. My letter is here. Thank you.
Finally. Oh.
How come, Mama?
Okay. Why is your face like this? Ogini. What is wrong?
No, we're running out of time. We don't have time. We're running out of time.
Man, now you can see that I'm trying. I'm trying. The problem is that nobody wants to help. You
You can ask your mother now. They can do something. At least you can ask them. Eh? Man, you're not saying anything. You're not saying anything. If this opportunity passes me by, I don't know. I'm not going.
Uchechi! Uchechi! Uchechi, come out, come out. Come out and give me my money, Uchechi. Uchechi, come out and give me my money.
Okay.
Come out and give me my money, Biko.
Yeah. Why are you yelling my name and banging on my door like that?
If you don't want me to hear your name like that, give me my money. You're owing me.
The loan is not due for repayment yet.
What are you even saying? I don't even know why I agreed to loan you that money in the first place. Look at your son. He is a fool. He is nothing in this village. He will live in this village and die in this village. He's going nowhere. So please, I don't even know why I waste my money giving to him.
I take an exception to all this nonsense you're saying to my son.
Okay, if you don't want it, please go in there and get me my money. I brought my foods.
Here's your money. Now get out of my compound.
Okay, Memi, are you sure this money is complete? Are you sure this money is complete? See, just piece of advice. Stop wasting your time, your energy, your strength on him. Because he will amount to nothing. Oh, you have done Obuda.
Back to sender.
Back to sender.
All these insults to your children, 6 of them.
To your children.
6 of them, God, you
to your own son.
Get out of my compound.
And if I say I will not
Get
leave, what will
out.
happen?
Then you will stay and watch with the dog.
Karaki cheregede kankucha mida. Karaki cheregede kankucha mida. Karaki cheregede kankucha mida. Oriego madu cheregede kankucha mida. Nonsense.
Get out. Order.
Before you understand the boys, yeah.
The evil that men do live after them. You can't teach yourself and we're one stupid woman. I've paid you. Adam keje. Nena woman all torn. Hopeless woman. No, stand and keep watch with the dog. Kai wali me pepper soup na ban. Now let's go inside. Chukwu. Inozikwa nke a na-eme. May your will be done.
Where are you coming from? Mommy, answer me now. Where's your box? Huh? Why are you not talking to me? Where's your box? didn't have to. You didn't have to. Eh?
This is the only way I can raise some money without having anybody harass me.
Hey. You didn't have to.
Hey, yeah. Poor woman. I heard she's going about selling all her properties just to make this one happy.
This is...
We've been walking since. You didn't tell me where we're going now. You're not really saying anything. You're just... What's going on?
Nah, I just want you to know that this small piece of land is all I have left for farming. As we speak, the money for your trip is ready. Nah. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, Mama.
It's okay.
Mama, I have a work and study visa. When I get there and start working, I'll send you money. Half my salary so you can replace your box and get a bigger land for farming.
You don't have to worry. Eh? All I'm asking of you is to make me proud. When you get there, study hard, pass your exams, and come back in flying colors. Oh? And one more thing, please. You know you're an only child, not just an only son. Don't come back with a white woman as a wife. You promise?
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Hey! Obinna mama! Nakwana Obinna mama! Hey! Oh yo!
Hey,
Obinna!
I wanted to surprise you.
This is a real surprise. Obinna, look at you. It is a corner. Oh, Namo! I can't believe you are back. Hey!
I didn't tell you on purpose.
Nah.
I have a surprise for you.
Surprise! Oh, God, we forgot hello.
Oh, Ma, Munyem. Hi, Melissa. This is Mommy. Hi. What's the Cameroon? Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Black, beautiful. Hmm?
It's not hungry.
Munyem.
If I brought any fight man.
But open on your channel. This is what's the Cameroon there?
Hi, Chioma. Chioma.
What name is it?
I want you female.
Look at it, black and beautiful. No, it's from Cameroon. Yeah, come. Let me show you. This is Mommy's house. Okay? And this is where I grew up. And it was very amazing.
Really?
Telling you, you will enjoy it here. Oh,
Okay, come on, watch Chioma. Hello, Emma. Hello, Emma. What's in your Cameroon? Huh? What for on your gun?
But you are pretty sure I wasn't going to come back with a white woman. That's what happened.
This black woman you came back with, is she from this village?
She's from Cameroon. She's not a white woman. How many times do you need me to tell you that?
It's not Kemegini. Cameroon no Kazono.
Yes.
I'll put a question of, is she from this village? What about Chioma? Chioma that I have trained for you, my own Chioma.
Mama, I'm glad you said your Chioma because she's yours, not mine. Please.
This is not what you promised me. Why would you have to lie to me?
I did not lie.
Obinna didn't even answer my greetings. He didn't even look at me. He didn't even ask you who I am. Am I not supposed to be his wife to be?
Yes.
He did not act that way. It's not like you've been telling him anything about me. Mama, why would you do this to me? After everything, after all this time, Mama,
That girl bewitched him. Chioma, please now. Is that black woman he came back with that is confusing him? But not to worry, I will not miss that your color. Obinna man laputa no one. Foreigner mbanu. Obinna.
So you love it.
Okay.
She really knows how to make it. It's called abacha.
Oh, babe, that sounds so funny. Like your ex-president's name, right? Abacha.
Remember, abacha. 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 You go up.
Abacha.
But you guys have your traditional food, don't you?
Yes, we do.
Oh. Don't worry, the food is coming. Ma, where's the food now?
Now coming.
She's coming. Abacha. You go up. There's also she knows how to make nkwabi. There's something called nkwabi. Nkwabi. There's isiegu.
Isiegu.
Yeah.
Nkwabi. Nkwabi.
Yeah. You love it.
Nkwabi.
Yes.
Nyanya, kono na akwabi ali. Nyanya.
No, hold on.
For what? Get it for?
What's this embarrassment?
How do you mean embarrassment? Is this not abacha you asked for that I should prepare when you come back?
Yes.
But
This is one portion.
Before Uncle, how many portions Kenechukwu? I prepared 5 portions. Yes, because I thought Chioma would be here to share it with you. I never knew you would disappoint me by bringing a white woman to the house. So I have removed 4 portions that I will take to Chioma. 2 of you can manage this or you eat it. Each other in here. You know the way to the kitchen. In case you don't want it, you return it. Me again. Don't call me. Nkwabi portion abacha. Nenonya na esili fenwa. Neko debela anya.
It's all right. It's okay. You can have this.
Wow.
Hey.
Honey, what's going on here? Why did you lie to me?
How? What happened?
Why you didn't tell me you already have a woman here?
Hey, why are you gonna believe my mother or me? Okay?
Come on. I'm talking about what I'm seeing right now. Your mom just mentioned that you already have a woman here. And you're telling me what?
Okay, listen. I want to explain something to you, babe. Yes, she said I should not come back with a white woman. And that's why I didn't have a relationship with any of them when I was there. You know everything that happened. That is why I chose you, Melly. You're black, beautiful, you're from a neighboring country, and I love you. So don't worry about my mom. She'll come over, okay?
Honey, I want to go back.
Go back where? We just got here, you want to go back. We'll do everything we can to make her accept you.
Why if she doesn't?
She will. My mom is not the devil. Okay?
Okay, my love.
Obinna! Can you feel in the kitchen? Obinna, what are you doing in the kitchen?
Oh, well, I haven't had anything to eat since I got back.
So what if you've not had anything to eat? What are you doing?
No, I was just making dinner for my wife and I.
Obinna, you're just making dinner for your wife and yourself. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Call that wife of yours. What's that her name? Meligini, call her!
Baby! Babe!
Oh, baby, I know but Jesus one.
Come, my darling. She's here.
In my country, Nigeria, a man does not cook for his wife. Rather, it is the other way round. You didn't let another babe, and my son will enter the kitchen to cook for you, and you come out and eat. Are you mad? Under my roof? Now go inside there and prepare something for him to eat. Go inside there.
Baby, don't worry. Let me go continue the cooking.
Go. Okay, don't put the fire too high.
Omarone is sinning. You tell her not to put it too high or too low. She can't cook. This woman you brought from, send her back to wherever you got her from. On your feet, Reba.
Abroad, men cook for their wives.
Abroad. Fele me boy. Is young abroad, Kedi Kafa. I didn't send you abroad to be a common man. Ezebeze, whether abroad or at home. Otogo Cape.
Okay. No problem. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a modern way of living.
If I see you inside that kitchen, Obinna,
I'm not going.
I'm my boy story and I recognize.
Baby.
Huh?
No, this is enough drama for me. I really can't take it anymore. It is obvious Mama doesn't like it.
Don't think about it. I told you, endure. You do.
I can ask.
Ma? I can serve your food, though. You know?
What is this? Is this food or poison? Is this what you're going to eat for the rest of your life? You want to commit suicide?
No. Why are you embarrassing me like this now?
Embarrassing you?
Yes.
I trained a woman for you. A woman that would cook for you, take good care of you, and you will know your home and you're a man. But you ignored and brought back this woman that can't even do anything. A word of advice. Take her back to where she's coming from. If I may ask, young woman, did your mother not teach you that the way to a man's heart is through the stomach?
There's nothing wrong with this food. It's
Really?
not bad. Yes.
Anyway, the important thing to note here is that you're going to marry Chioma. You could see a monkey. Excuse me.
Mama, good morning.
It's Nnochiri. Good morning. What do you think you're doing? So, you wake up first thing in the morning, in a powder. Your mates, when they wake up, they do house chores. But look at you, dancing and making up here. What's the meaning of that? Oh, are you expecting me to do what you're supposed to do? Eh?
I'm sorry, Mama.
I'm sorry, Mama. Kajini weme. I'm sorry, Mama. Mama FIFA. Ine manya. Ikaku. Mechi uzo. Hey! Obinna laputam. Obinna agwangagwa. Agwangagwa laputa na mi laputagom. Ogi kik bunata. It's not one on your bed. Obinna kede for what is it, Obinna? What have I done to you? Look at the lovely girl in Nazuli. I've been training this beautiful girl for you, Obinna. My life will need you all, Webia. So what, wrong? Need you all, Webia. Well, you will see. I'm such a wine. Bianwani, what do you think you're doing?
What does it seem like I'm doing, Mama?
If you give me that attitude again, I will smack you and you'll forget your surname.
I'm sweeping, Mama.
You're sweeping with this nonsense you're wearing. How can you wear this short thing? If visitors come in, they'll be seeing your bottom. Bieba. So come here. Since you cannot cover yourself, I cover you. You were leaking. What's happening in AC? You cover yourself when you want to sweep. You can't even sweep. What did your mother do when she gave birth to you? She didn't even teach you anything.
Mama, why don't you teach me how to sweep? I promise I will learn.
Mama, teach you how to sweep. What was your mother doing when she gave birth to you? Why couldn't she teach you? I will not, in short, Obinna! Bieba! Assassin, if I can you see, where did you get this girl from? She can't even sweep. Ocholike, tell you the main road. Carry bottom, face road. If people enter here, what would they say?
What is this now?
She said I can't sweep.
But what is this? What is this?
So I can sweep properly. That's why she put this on me.
I tied her bottom.
Really? You need to do everything you can so you can win her. I've told you, don't talk back at her. Let me show you how to sweep.
You see that lady?
Look where?
Oh my God. When my Obinna comes, my level and your level will be the same. Look where level has leveled her to the ground. Come to think of it, so all the work she has been doing for Obinna's mother is just a waste.
A waste, now a waste of time. This is a lesson to all of us. Wait until a man gets married to you before you start performing your duty as a wife.
Simeon,
look where go Nigerian uzo aga kwara akwa. Nigerian arusi aga turu aja. Let's go, Biko. One lechasi. Fe phone esusu yale. I beg.
Osina babe. Onebu babe one. I know you're calling him to help you fetch water. But it's not possible. You know what? Carry this bowl. Go down to the stream and fetch water. That is where people fetch water when the tap is not running, which is quite often. Go to the stream. When you get to the gate, you ask them the way to the stream. Osina babe. I'm you babe Obinna. I gave you the name Obinna, not babe. Mama, you're wicked. Hey, Afichikene. This girl doesn't know that if she wants water, all she needs to do is turn this one on. But I will not teach her. She will go to the stream. She will keep going to the stream until she'll go back to where she came from.
Do you know where I can locate the village stream?
We have 2 streams in this village, but the closest one is this way.
How far is it? I hope it's not too far.
No. Walk to the S stream, take by your left.
Okay.
That is it.
Amaganuzo wa misi lere manya okwenisi. Owa. Ogi na fieba. Ogi gone me. Ona gbe. Papa go school me later. Okay.
Mama, please. All you could do is give me a hand.
Give you a hand. Or this time to another hand. Give you which hand? Look at you. Your mates carry things bigger than this.
Mama, please.
Mama, please now. They're going to come and fill everywhere. Don't take that thing in. See, I have a lot of basins empty. You will fill all of them up. You're so chap. Wash them. Hey, Wano. Eh? Is this how they wash clothes from wherever you're coming from? Eh? Negodu fina piteba. What is this nonsense? Negodu, look at the wrap I gave you to wash since. The stain is still there. Ah! If I can see Abu. What is the matter with you? Can't you wash properly?
Mama, please. I'm not used to wash clothes like this. I'm used to washing machine.
Washing machine?
Please just teach me. I will learn.
Washing machine that my son bought for you. Teach you what? If you want peace, why don't you just pack your things and go? I cannot teach you how to wash.
Please, Mama, just teach me.
I'm sorry I can't do it. There's already a wife for my son. If you meet this girl, oh my God. She's beautiful, not just beautiful, ready-made. You see all these things? She knows how to do it without being taught. She has already been brought up by a decent woman. So she knows how to take care of a home. I'm counting your days in this house. You will pack and leave.
Everybody. I avoided everybody that seemed like a distraction just to wait for him. Now look at it. Look at it. Look how it has ended.
No. I promise you, Munagwai, Obinna is my son. You will marry him.
Oh, Mama. He's never going to look my way. You needed to see the rage on his face when she was explaining to him how you forced her to do all the washing and cleaning the other day. He will never look my way, Mama.
No, not worry. I'll make sure it happens. Hey, Obinna, listen. I know how much you love him. I will make sure you become his wife.
Oh, Pesina, when you cry like this, mama. And if he sees your face like this, he might now refuse you. It's okay. It's okay. Your God is alive. If you can be more.
No be assurance. My pikin go marry you. No be assurance. Cause the heart knows what it wants.
I will do no such thing. I love her and that's it.
Ifani, you're saying this after all I went through to see you out of this country. And you're telling me this nonsense.
Okay, you know what? Just ask me for any other thing and I'll do it, please.
What I want is Chioma. That is all I want. Chioma Kamoacho.
But what has this girl done to you now? She's done nothing but love you, done nothing but try to please you. What is it?
You want to know what she's done?
Yes.
Shall
Ha. You don't understand though. What is all this now? Who is antagonizing this girl for no reason? I don't...
After everything, you brought in a girl to fight me, to fight your own mother. Look at it. That poor girl, according to you, beat me up, fought me, and poured oil, soup on my top.
Melissa did this.
That's what he said.
Are you serious?
Man, serious.
Melissa! Melissa! What's the problem? There's a big problem. What am I hearing? What did you do to my mom? What's the meaning of this? You laid your hands on my mom. Listen, I can tolerate anything, but you do not insult the woman that gave birth to me. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Babe, she caused it all. She threw the foot at me first, and so... Look, Obina, I have endured her enough in this house. I can't take it no more.
Where do you think you are? Where do you think you are? You're talking back at me?
Okay.
You think, look around you, you think you're in America?
Okay.
Eh? Are you talking to me like that? Are you serious? Come here, come. Go inside there. Go inside there, let me teach you something. Go inside there.
Teaching her.
Are you serious?
Teaching her. To go near anything, even if I throw soup on her, she should say thank you, man. I'm coming. Shout, I'm coming to help.
I called you out here to apologize for everything that has happened. I thought I knew what I wanted for myself until yesterday. And so I'm sorry for not reciprocating everything that you feel for me. My mom has said so many good things about you. I'm just happy that I realize now that you're the best for me.
I'm so happy that you finally come to terms with me. That now you know that I love you so much and you love me too. So what happens to her?
I'll send her away.
No. I don't think that would be a good idea. You know, I'll soon get pregnant. And we'll need someone to be running the errands for us.
Gosh.
Why don't we keep her around to do it if that is okay by you though?
You're so intelligent. You're so intelligent, oh my God.
See what you've been missing?
Thank you for not giving your heart to another man.
I will never. You are the only man I love. And I'll never give my heart to any other man in this world.
Thank you. Huh? Thank you.
What? What's the meaning of all this?
It's for you to be useful. Now take this money and go to Mama Nkechi's shop and get me a bottle of drink.
As what? How dare you talking to me in such manner?
Mbamba. Hold that English.
Out of your mind?
You are out of your mind. Listen, let me tell you, I'm the reason you're still left in this house. So take this thing and go and get me a drink.
I will not do that.
For the last time, take this money and go to Mama Nkechi's shop and get me a bottle of drink now.
I will not do that.
You will not do what? You will not do what? Are you... Ah!
What happened?
She hit me.
Are you serious? You hit her? What's all that? When did that one start? Are you serious?
You don't expect me to sit down and watch her bully me? She started first. I had to hit her back.
No, it's not true. She's lying. I only begged her. I begged her, Mama. I don't like that she goes Mama and get changed up and get me a bottle of drink and she hit me instead. And she wants to kill our baby.
You're pregnant? You wait till you
What did I do wrong? I didn't do anything wrong.
Melissa!
Water!
What's going on?
Bring water for my wife. She's choking.
Obina, can't you see that I'm eating?
Water!
What's not getting? Go and get that water.
I don't understand though.
Sorry. Sorry, take it easy, because.
Hurry up now.
Oh. Okay. Is it bitter?
This water is not cold. I need cold water.
Go and get that cold water.
You're choking.
I want cold water.
Wait,
I want cold water. The baby wants it.
Joe,
The baby wants it. The baby wants the cold water. The baby wants it.
go and buy her cold water. Just go let me know you.
It's cold water. Hurry, please.
She has gone.
Hurry or run now.
Just tell baby to hold on. Go tell me.
I don't know. The baby is not me. Oh, it's the baby.
Let me take it easy, oh. I know what it means when.
I'm not the baby now. It's the baby that wants cold water. Mama, you know how this thing can be.
Him. He used to like hot water.
I want cold water. I want cold water. Why are you forcing me? What if I take it now and something happens? The baby wants cold water. It's not me. Is it my fault? What if I now take it and something bad happens to our baby? Mama, explain to him. At least you've had a child.
I'm concurring, so he understands.
Thank you, Mommy.
What will she eat now? Eh? What will she eat now? You're eating her food. What will she eat?
You can leave her alone. Let her eat. Anything she wants, she can eat. Let me just be sure. It's the same rice.
Why are you talking to me like this?
Don't mind him. Eat whatever you want. Don't mind him. Eat, because you're thinking about her. Why would she eat? She should eat anything she wants in this house. Eat. Eat your quick food and get manata.
The heart knows what he wants. It's a problem when the wrong one loves you right. It's a feeling that you can never deny. It is pure, but was never meant to be pure.
Choma, here's your cold water. Come on, take it. What's the meaning of all this? What's going on here? She wanted cold water. I want to get it for her. Now they ate all my food. What am I going to eat? That's not fair.
Hey! Back and go! Back and go! Onyiuke! Hey! Akatikolo! Back and go! Hey! The Lord has done it finally! Finally! The Lord has done it finally! Finally! The Lord has done it finally! Oh! Finally! He has done it finally! Oh! Finally! The Lord has done it finally! Oh! Finally! Oh! Hey!
finally, the Lord has done it, finally, oh, finally, hey, the Lord has done it, finally.
Just stay here. Keep crying. Keep imagining things that will never happen. Don't go and fight for your rights. What is wrong with you? Are you a child?
What will you have me do? Obinna doesn't even want to look at my face. What should I do?
So you don't know what to do. As tall as you are, I know your sense will be long. So why are you not using it? I must teach you everything. Go there and possess your possession. What are you talking about? You don't know what to do. When you reach there, carry Mama's pistol and hit her on the head. When the son sees your reaction, he will take note. If you like, you can extend it to him. Hit his head so that he will come back to his senses. When you think of the water you fetched, the plates you washed, the clothes you washed, let that be your provocation. Don't be doing like this now. You're my friend.
Obinna, that girl has suffered so much for us, for me to grant you that request. What do you want people out there to say? Hey, they will say I've used an innocent child and dumped her.
Ma, so what you are concerned about is what people will say, not your only child's happiness, eh? Is that how it is, Ma?
Nah, I warned you. I told you, do not marry a white woman.
Hey, Chineke. Ma, what makes Melissa white? Let me ask you, what makes Melissa white? No, let's even talk about that. What makes Melissa white? Even Chioma, the so-called Chioma, is almost like a white person compared to Melissa. She's dark-skinned.
Or a foreign country.
No, Ma, calm down. No. I took your advice. I heeded it. You said I should not bring back a white woman, and I brought back a black woman, even though I had numerous opportunities. So what more do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want?
I want Chioma. Chioma is all I want. That is not asking for too much.
Babe. Baby, please. Let's go back. We're not having it cool here.
I just got back after how many years? You want me to go back just like that?
Baby, look. Your mom doesn't want to have me as her daughter-in-law. Please, babe.
Hey, listen. What you should be concerned about is winning her heart, not us going back.
Honey, this is really shocking me. And I don't know how long I can hold on to it.
It's all right, babe. Come here. Just keep enduring. She'll come around someday. Okay?
Okay.
Huh?
Hey! Melissa! Melissa! Obinna! Welcome ni now in a tumpu candy confusion. I'm a mifuno no name. Is this the kind of woman you want to marry? Is this the kind of woman you want to keep as a wife? I woke up very early in the morning. Finished all I had to do, went to the market, finished selling, and I'm back here, and my compound is looking so unkept. Came in car. What is all this? Eh?
Ma.
Look at you, both of you, all you do is sleep. This one sleeps like a man. As you're snoring, she's snoring after you. As you're singing hallelujah and you're snoring, amen.
Ma, it's not a problem. Just calm down, because
if you try it, I will disown you. No. But yeah, baby, go sweep, eh? Take it from baby and sweep.
no.
Mba, yazabuno. Nezani foneme. Nezani fonya nkaneme. Ogi ko yifa. Anya piarum. Obinna. Irapu nwa ka ogbala oto weputa. Ifa mbenupu. Mba, biko happen we osuna ona anu ife na. Can you pull me can fifi na afuno? Let other men come and see.
Mama, good day.
Namo.
Mama, what is it? Why this?
Nam. When you live with a lazy woman, this is what you see.
Mama, you look so stressed. Don't worry, okay? I'm here. I'm here now. I'll do it. I'll do it, don't worry.
Hi.
Hey.
Thank you so much.
I'll leave this with you now.
Where can you put my guy?
Don't worry, I'm here. Oh, I'll do it for you.
Chalo, I'm coming.
Oh, Mama. Why would someone leave you to do all this alone? Here.
You see what she's doing? This is a real woman. A woman that knows how to take care of the house. She wakes up early in the morning to take care of her chores so that she has enough time to do whatever she wants to do for the day. Managewa, AD, all you know how to do is sleep. And not just only that you sleep. You snore like a man. AD na wola. Let me just warn you. I'm advising and begging you. Back out of my house. Go back to wherever you're coming from. You cannot marry my son. This young woman here is my daughter-in-law. And we have already paid for her bride price.
Do not worry, I'll do it. I'll cook it.
Tell somebody the truth so they will know.
Mama, you're stressed, oh. Please, calm down. Oh?
Nezenije. Opo fandi azu. Ejiji fandi Mrs. Udene fandi coat.
Hey. Sean, why are you crying? Huh?
Your mom said I should go where I come from. That you're never going to marry me. Besides, she said you're already married.
Okay, if I'm married, where's the lady? Why is the lady not here with me?
She's with Mama in the kitchen right now.
Now listen, don't let Mama do anything by herself. Always help her out. Don't let her do anything by herself anymore.
She always complain that I don't know how to, or my mom did not train me well.
Hey,
I don't know what else to do, babe.
Keep at it. She'll come around. Just keep at it. Okay? Keep at it.
Okay, I will try.
That's my girl.
All right. Can I help you with that?
You know how to do it?
Yes. Mama, she did train me, so she showed me how to do it.
Okay, let me watch.
You see? I told you that she trained me. Like that.
Mama?
Yeah.
What was this now? What happened to the beans you were picking?
She said she wanted you to eat something heavy.
Who is she to make that decision?
Your wife, of course.
She's not my wife, Mommy. And she will never ever be. You need to stop this thing now. You need to stop this thing. Let me tell you. You see that castle that Mama is building in your head? That's all it will remain, a castle. What's all this now? I love Melissa. Okay? She's the one I love. Know this and know peace. Hey, let's go inside.
Chioma!
Solve this.
Chioma,
you're giving me this. I don't understand.
Chioma! You think it's just to hold her waist and be going inside? No food to eat.
Ma, I called you here so we can reach a compromise. I'm not happy with all the fights and quarreling that we've been having since I got back. I want you to know that I am grateful, thankful for the sacrifice that you made to get me out of here and get me a better life. But Ma, Melissa is the one that makes me happy. She gives me joy. It's not as if I knew this other lady, whatever her name is, Choma, before I left. She was never in the picture. So, Ma, I'm telling you to please consider me. Consider what makes me happy. It's Melissa. Biko.
Yes. What makes you happy? Agwangagwa. Do not marry a white woman. Melissa over Teba. She makes you happy. What do you mean? You don't even care about what makes me happy. You're only thinking about yourself.
This is what I'm saying. She's not a white woman. That's what I'm saying.
Listen, I want to compromise. I ain't rich. Melissa is from Cameroon, right? Is she doing some Obonye Yoruba? You must fed to Cameroon, Janotawani. Eh? What kind of nonsense is that? And you want peace to reign in this house? Let me tell you, there shall be no peace. It's either Chioma or Chioma. And what if Nekumakia? Melissa is not going to stay here. Let her go back to her father's house. I mean, her country. How can you do? She just came from Cameroon to Chalo the best. Just the same way they took our land and Abakasi. How can I understand all the good things? I'm born in Cameroon, Kitty, Usiaba land, Abu, Pulewe de Kagi, Jebe. You know, go on Coco Pulewe, Ewe Nebu Coco. Indian one alanya, Nalusianya, Nakalabia Pibuli, I say. Nam, she can stay, it's okay. Obin, she can stay. I will not trouble her again, I promise. Because don't go. Don't go. Melissa.
Mama, please, I'm hungry. There's no food for me in the kitchen.
Do I look like your maid? If you're hungry, don't you know what to do?
Please, Mama, this is not fair.
Man, cool about to be fair, if I'm not fair. Oh, yeah, touch it. Stay and wait for me to come and feed you. Tata. Ay. No. Someone is rooming.
Going on here?
Oh, so you think you can come out from nowhere and take what belongs to me?
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? That's what you're asking me. Oh, what am I talking about? I'll show you. Peter, let's hit her. Why? Put your mommy in water here. Peter, oh, stay away from my man. Stay away from my man. Hey! God, the Kanya will wait.
Chineke, you're just looking like one mad woman. Eh? Let me tell you, if you utter a word to my son about what's going on around here, what I'll do to you, you will not like it. Come on, go inside. Break the gate, you know here. I'm also a dead. Eh? You might be right, but I don't care. There's a million reasons why I should not leave it. 'Cause the heart knows what it wants. Oh, the heart knows what it wants. Oh, it's a modern fairy tale. No happy endings, no wind in our sails. But I can't imagine this love without my love, the one and only true love. The heart knows what it wants. No reassurance. The heart knows what it wants. No reassurance. I'm not picking up marry.
Mama,
Kanebe?
why did you have to lock me outside?
Question. I will give you the answer. There is no way Muabu Mama will leave my house open to a total stranger. What if I lose my valuables like my silver, gold, and diamonds? Who would I blame?
Mama, this is not fair. I have not eaten anything since this morning.
Oh, Chebwe, darling, you've not eaten anything. If you had listened to my advice to leave my son alone and go back to wherever you're coming from, you'll be eating and feeding very well over there. But you want to stay back and do love. You will die of hunger. Don't even follow me inside. So I'm going in.
Allow me to help. You look so stressed.
What do you want to do? What do you know how to do?
Just allow me to help, please.
Biko, what can you do? No, tell me what you can do, then I will know whether...
You can teach me, I will learn.
I don't have time for any teaching, please. Nobody taught me. You learn by looking and observing. Nobody taught me. Listen, since there's nothing for you to do, why don't you go back into the room and continue with your sleep? Do, re, mi, fa, so, you keep sleeping. Eddie. Help me to cook. Fabuna kuzelu mad. Namo. Obim. No.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, how was your trip?
It was okay. It was all right.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Melissa. You look after my son, eh? Let me go inside and finish preparing the soup. You both can come in and eat.
All right. What happened to you? What happened to your brother?
Let's go inside. You just get back.
Okay. Mama, what happened to her now? Let's go. Huh? What happened to her body? Baby, aren't you eating?
I am. Just that mommy, she already gave me some food before you get back, so I'm really not hungry right now.
I'm very, very happy that you guys are getting along. You're best friends, practically.
Yes, we are.
We are best friends.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Indeed.
I'm so happy I did not let her go. Yes. She's the best daughter-in-law anyone can ever have.
I told you, Mama. I told you you love her.
I know, I love her. Hey, I know I can let her go. What you went for? How far? How did it go?
Oh, Ma, it went well. The agent I hired, he did a perfect job. I'm taking the place.
You what?
I'm taking the place.
That's good to hear. That means you're back for good.
I am. Can't thank you enough, Mama.
Oh, come on.
Thank you.
Melly, you want Momo? I know she likes Momo.
Oh, you like Momo?
Oh yeah, I like pomo.
Oh.
I already have some, so mommy really fed me well. So.
Yes, I always do.
Chioma, what is your problem? What is wrong with you?
What are you talking about?
You don't know what I am talking about? Okay. Can't you see that in spite everything we've done to that girl, she doesn't want to leave this village? And if you don't do anything about it, you will lose entirely. You will lose. So I need you to do something fast.
But what else do you want me to do? There's nothing I know I can do anymore. We've done everything.
You have to do something. Something that will scare her. Something that will take her away from you forever.
Like what?
Must I teach you everything?
No, I don't understand now, Vivian. You say do something, do something. We've done everything. We've even hit her. Has she left? No. So what else is left to do? Okay.
Oh, yeah, say A. Repeat after me. How can you say you don't know what to do? Are you serious?
Tell me, what do I have to do? Bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Who is in? Hello? Bam, bam, bam. Hello. Oh, Melissa. Good day.
Good day.
Melissa, I hope you're all right. Melissa, I'm here to apologize, to say sorry for everything I've done to you. Please forgive me. I've come to terms with the fact that Obina will never love me. He loves you so much, and forgive me, please. I'm so sorry. Sorry for everything, Biko. Please.
Girl, you really did me dirty.
I know. That is why I'm here to say sorry. Please, I beg you, forgive me. I'm very sorry, please. Please.
It's okay. I forgive you.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Hi, Melissa, thank you so... Can I...
Sure.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, have you eaten?
No, Mama did not keep anything for food. So, they left very early this morning.
Don't worry, I know where Mama keeps all her food stuff. I can prepare something for you if you...
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, thank you, Shoma.
All right, let's go. We can go.
Okay.
Thank you so much. These shorts look so fine on you.
Wow, you done, Shoma?
Yes, let me get you water to drink.
Thank you so much.
You don't need to thank me.
What are you doing?
Mama, I want to eat. Shoma made this food for me.
You said in the boy. In Oluna Larula, Choma left her house to come here to make food for you to eat. Lazy girl. Kunya, get up.
No. Ma, sorry.
We went out together. You are the one struggling for food alone. You don't know you're supposed to feed yourself.
Oh, Binna, your throat is too long.
You just want to eat the food every day.
Nobody should eat this food.
Yes, it's for her.
Mama, ask your daughter Choma what she has done to the food. Ask her.
Ask me what?
You better start talking.
Start talking. What did I do? I prepared the food for her, not you. What did
Mama,
I do?
ask her.
I didn't know. I just prepared the food
Better
for
start
you.
talking, Shoma.
Hey, I just prepared this food for you. What did I do?
Mama, ask her.
Ask me what? What are you talking about? What will I do to the food?
She came in, started begging for forgiveness. And then looking at her, I knew she was not to be trusted. My suspicion even grew when she asked me if I had anything to eat. I lied to her that I didn't. And then she said not to worry, she was gonna fix something for me so I can eat. Even though I told her that I didn't know where Mama kept stuff for food. She said she knows. And then I started following everything she was doing.
Hi. Oh no. Jojo. Jojo. Jojo.
Is that the person you wanted me to get married to? No. This murderer. This who you wanted me to get married to?
Mama, it's not like that, so it's not like that, Mama. I couldn't just watch another woman take my open away from me. So my friend, she's the one. She advised me to take her away. She's the one. It's the devil. It's not me, Mama. It's not me. I'm not the one, Mama.
Why is it that the devil will sit on his own and people will be calling him
Mama, no.
when they want to commit atrocities?
Mama, please, now it's not me, Mama, please, Mama,
Chioma.
please, eh?
So if your friend tells you to put your hand inside fire, you'll do that?
No.
Not gonna see Chioma.
Please, Mama, please, you know me, Mama, you know me, Mama, you know me, Mama,
Chioma.
Please,
Mama,
no, I just explain.
Eat your food.
Mama, please, you say. Mama, please.
Okay, I am sorry. I am truly sorry. Just tell Melissa to forgive me for my prejudice towards her. The way I treated her and spoke to her, let her forgive me. I was just thinking that what I was doing was the best for you. Please forgive me, Mayalomo.
Mama, it's okay. I don't have nothing against you. Besides, I always wanted to marry a man who is not from my place, so I can have a family outside my country. A situation where we can all have a cordial and a very good business relationship. Just think about the major. Well, I really thank God for granting me my heart desire at the end of the tussle.
It's all right. I'm grateful that God exposed your angel. It could have been worse, much worse. It's okay.
Mama, I want to take this opportunity. I have something to tell you.
Okay.
It's my first. I'm pregnant.
Huh?
Yes.
It's a lie, stop.
It's true.
We are pregnant, baby.
Hi. Hi, Nam. Congratulations. Hey. Today, not today. Oh my God. Easy. Welcome. You see, this meeting we're going for, eh?
Yes, Mama.
It's called Ndi Nwunye Dim's meeting. That means co-wives. Nwunye Dim. Say Nwunye. Say
Nwunye.
Dim. That means my co-wife.
Okay.
Eh? Yeah?
Okay,
so we have now become family.
Yes, Mama.
Don't allow anybody to intimidate you. Because, you know, once you're a new wife, they will want to put you down. Don't even agree for anybody.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay, Mama.
And then when they say Ndidi Mano, which means those of you that your husbands are taking care of very well, you will say Ana no anyo fuma. Say it.
Ana nyo na fuma.
Mbobro na ana nyo aro fuma.
Ana anụ anyị.
Ana anụ anyị.
Ọfụma.
Ọfụma.
Ndị di ma anụ.
Ndị di ma anụ.
Ana anụ anyị ọfụma.
Ana anụ na ọfụma.
Nna anyị na-afụ amụ. Ọkwa gị kote. Let's go. Don't worry, you will learn with time. Ka anyị na-eje ndị di ma anụ. Ana anụ anyị ọfụma. Ebutere anụ ọfụma. Nsogbu ebego.
It's a problem when the wrong one loves you right. It's a feeling that you can never deny. It is pure, but was never meant to be. Promises means everything, but when broken, sorry means nothing. Now my song go marry you, no reassurance. Now my pikin go marry.